The excitement around the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is building fast, and this time it's not just rumors. It's backed by strong real-world leaks that clearly point toward an imminent launch. From large-scale warehouse activity to insider confirmations, everything suggests DJI is entering the final phase before unveiling its next-generation compact camera. Recent images showing pallets of boxed units and shipping labels hint at a global rollout already in motion. On top of that, early prototype footage has started surfacing, giving us a glimpse of what the device might actually look like in real use. For content creators, vloggers, and travelers, this could be one of the most exciting releases of 2026. If these leaks are accurate, DJI is about to raise the bar once again in portable filmmaking. Recent updates from trusted leaker Igor Bogdanov have added serious credibility to the growing buzz around the DJI Osmo Pocket 4. According to his latest posts, DJI has already started shipping large volumes of dummy units for the standard Pocket 4 edition. Now, this might not sound exciting at first, but in the tech world, this is a huge milestone. Companies only move to this stage when a product is nearly finalized and ready for global distribution. Supporting this claim are newly surfaced high-resolution warehouse images showing massive pallets filled with boxed units inside a DJI facility. Many of these boxes carry the UN3481 label, which is commonly used for shipping products that include lithium-ion batteries. DJI frequently uses this label for its cameras and drones, so it further confirms that these shipments are tied to upcoming hardware. What makes this leak especially important is the sheer scale. This isn't a small internal test or limited batch, it's a large-scale logistics operation, suggesting that DJI is preparing for a worldwide release. It's important to note that these shipments consist mainly of dummy units rather than functional devices. These non-working models are essential for retail preparation. Stores use them to set up display sections, create marketing visuals, and train staff before the official launch. Since they are not operational, they can safely be handled by customers in-store. The presence of such a large number of dummy units strongly indicates that DJI has completed key stages like production planning and regulatory approvals. Earlier in February 2026, another interesting leak surfaced when a prototype of the Pocket 4 was briefly shown in a DJI retail environment. The short hands-on clip revealed that DJI is sticking with its signature compact gimbal design, which has always been a defining feature of the Pocket series. This is great news for users who value portability and stabilization in a small form factor. Even more intriguing was the appearance of a built-in LED light on the device. While it may seem like a small addition, it could significantly improve usability for vloggers and creators who frequently shoot in low-light conditions. Looking at the bigger picture, 2026 appears to be a massive year for DJI. The company has already launched the DJI Avata 360, and more products are lined up. One of the most talked about upcoming drones is the DJI Leo the 10th one, which is rumored to compete directly with higher-end compact drones. It is expected to weigh under 249 grams, making it ideal for beginners and travelers, while still offering powerful camera capabilities like a 1/1.3-inch sensor and 4K 120 frames per second video recording. Then there's the pricing strategy, which is turning just as many heads. The DJI Neo has dropped to just $149, making it one of the most affordable 4K drones currently available. Originally priced at $199, it has steadily decreased through various sales events, and with additional bank discounts, some buyers are reportedly getting it for close to $99. Despite its low price, it still delivers solid 4K video performance, making it an excellent choice for beginners and casual content creators. All of this points to DJI aggressively expanding its ecosystem, from premium compact cameras like the Pocket 4 to budget-friendly drones like the Neo. And if the current leaks are anything to go by, the Pocket 4 is no longer just speculation. It's right around the corner, ready to make a major impact. So, what does all of this mean for you as a creator or tech enthusiast? The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is no longer just a concept or a distant rumor. It's shaping up to be one of DJI's most anticipated releases in recent years. With strong evidence pointing toward an official reveal very soon, the wait might finally be coming to an end. At the same time, DJI is aggressively expanding its lineup with new drones and competitive pricing, making high-quality content creation more accessible than ever. Whether you're into vlogging, travel filmmaking, or aerial shots, this upcoming wave of products could offer something for everyone. If the leaks hold true, DJI is about to make a serious impact once again. So keep your eyes open, because the official announcement could drop at any moment.